Hi, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back again to the history part of 7th standard. So, in previous classes, we were discussing about the first chapter, that is Advent of Europeans to India, the arrival of Europeans to India, and we studied many things about the arrival of Europeans to India. First the Portuguese people came to India, okay, in the year of 1498, and they stayed in India until 1961. Later, the Dutch people, or we call them as their country name is Holland or Netherlands, okay, and its capital is Amsterdam, okay, whereas the capital of Portugal is Lisbon, capital of Holland or Dutch it is Amsterdam. They came to India in the year of 1596 and they stayed in India up to 1792. Okay, and because of the conflict between these European countries, they can't stay here for a long time, especially the Holland. Okay, the Dutch people can't stay here, and they later concentrated in the eastern part of Southeast Asia. Okay, and coming to next, we can see the British people came and they dominated more over India. They arrived in India in the year of 1600 with the permission of the Queen Elizabeth, and actually Queen had given permission only for 14 years. Later it was extended by Mr. Robert Clive was there. He was a master brain for the colonialization of India, okay, by the British. They stayed in India until 1947. Their main aim was to make India as their colony, and India was well known for spices like pepper, cardamom, ginger, and other medicinal plants and honey. Okay, so these products, these natural products and spices had a great demand in the European markets. Okay, and because of this reason they came to India, and during that time pepper was known as the black gold because of its huge demand and cost in the world market. Okay, and after the British, after the arrival of British, France came. The French people came in the year of 1664 and they stayed in India up to 1954. Okay, they had many trading centers in India, especially in the coastal regions for the voyage through the ocean. Okay, and this is the simple picture about the arrival of the Europeans. And in previous classes we discussed about Portugal, Dutch, Britain, and remaining France is remaining. And let us study about France. Okay, and France made their first warehouse in Surat. Surat is in Gujarat. It is well known commercial center. Okay, Surat was very famous during that time. Still now it is also very famous. Surat is very famous center for trade and business. Okay, and they established their center in the year of 1668. In the year of 1668, they established the center at Surat. Okay, with the help of Dupleix, the governor of France, Dupleix. Okay, and moreover they concentrated over Hyderabad and Carnatic region. Carnatic region means the location in between Karnataka and the eastern part of Tamil Nadu. That region is known as Carnatic region. Okay, so in some extent, up to some extent, they were won in their plan and their mission. And later there was many wars among the France and the Britain for domination over India. That war is known as Carnatic War, and that war extended up to 14 years in India. Okay, 14 years in India. Later what happened? What happened to France then? What made them decline in India? The main reason was in Europe during that time. Many wars took place in Europe during the time of First World War and Second World War. Okay, so this made many problems among the within the France. So they left back to Europe. Okay, and later only British. Anyhow, even though they left, they kept some centers as their trading centers, and even after independence also they stayed in India, but the monopoly was for the British. Okay, now let us discuss why the France got what was the reasons for the decline of the French colonialization in India. Okay, the main reason was they didn't got that much support from the government of France. You know, the the French East India Company doesn't got enough support from the government of France. That is the one of the main reason. And second one is the Carnatic wars between France and Britain. And third one is there was confusion, chaos was going on in Europe due to the First World War and Second World War. You know, First World War happened in the year of 1914 to 1918, and Second World War started from 1938 to 45. Okay, 1938 to 45 was the duration of Second World War. So this made many problems within the France and Britain. Okay, so that France just returned back again to the Europe. Okay, from there to their native place. Okay, and moreover, France made many colonies in Pondicherry, Calicut in Kerala. Pondicherry is on the northeast part of Tamil Nadu. Okay, we can see, and Machilipatnam, that is in present day Hyderabad. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so these are the things we want to know about the France. Okay, and I shall repeat once again the causes for the decline of the French. The main reason is French army commanders in India were not given complete support by the government of France, as I told. Okay, and the second one, political confusions and revolutions took place in France. This led to their decline in India. I told about the First World War and Second World War. Okay, so third point, French Navy was not superior to the English Navy. Okay, their army power as well as money power and manpower was very less compared to the British army. Okay, so I hope you understood this part, and please go through the textbook, read the important things and underline the important terminologies. Okay, and you can clarify your doubts regarding the chapter through WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.